love alternative makeup and a little bit of crazy makeup, you're in the right place, because today we're going to do a very alt lip makeup and paint colorful lips using purple, blue and yellow liquid lip colors. And if you watch this video till the end, I will tell you where to find more of this stuff. The lip tutorials that are not nude, not red, not boring. No hate towards nude and red lipstick if you love it, but wearing it all the time would just make me so sad. Every once in a while, I guess that's okay, why not? So let's go into this tutorial. Use a lip primer of your choice. All my products are listed in the description box, by the way. It will make your lips look smoother and the lipstick last longer. Then grab a bright purple lipstick, wipe off the excess slightly off the tube, because you won't need as much lipstick since you're not going to cover all of your lips. You're just going to draw that purple outline. Pay attention to the outer edge, to the outer border, because that's what you will have in the end. Well, as far as the inner border goes, you don't have to be so neat because you will blend it anyway. So just apply it with the sponge, and if you're missing the product, you can just pick up what you have left in the tube before. And after you're done with that outline, you can also fill in the outer corners for the perfect ombre afterwards. And then when you have that very little product left on the sponge, just start blending it inwards for a smoother transition to the next color, which is going to be a bright cerulean blue. And I have my wand broken on this one, oh my goodness. But it's fixable with a tissue. I'm just grabbing the wand so that I don't stain my hands while applying the lipstick. And apply it, but not to the very center of your lips, but kind of in the middle, since you will have three colors in this lip. So the blue goes in the middle between purple and the next color. And once again, apply it and blend it with the sponge with very little product left on. Blend it first with the purple, so the outer part of the blue layer. And then if you have some purple residue left on the wand, wipe it off the same tissue so that when you blend the inner part, you won't have the purple getting in there, because that's not something you want. By the way, if this has been useful so far, please give this video a thumbs up. And then after you've blended the inner part, you are going for the last lipstick, which is a bright yellow. Now you only need a teeny bit of it, so wipe off all the excess. You can always pick up later if you need more, and then apply to the very inner portion of your lips, probably even overlapping the blue slightly, depending on how much space you have left. It's hard to be precise without a thin brush, and just start blending it with the same sponge. If you have too much on the sponge, once again use our friend tissue. You see it has green residue, so yellow mixed with blue. If you want more tutorials like this, by the way, please subscribe. And then just blend, blend, blend. Apply yellow if you need it in 2 layers. By the way, with this brand I have a code, THEMIRRORBEAUTY. The lipstick is from Galaxy Beauty. I believe the yellow is currently not in stock, but they have lots of alternative funky lip colors. And you get a smooth blended ombre lips result where you can even see the green color, although we didn't use any green lipstick, but that's just how blending works. And here's how the lip looks with the possible eye makeup to go with it. With lipstick like this, nobody will ever call you boring, and I know you want to stay colorful, not just in purple, blue and yellow, right? So, as I promised, there is a playlist where there is a lot more lip makeup like that going on, and also some wonderful and detailed, super interesting lip arts. Just check out this playlist, and I'll see you there. Bye!